Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the clutch slave cylinder on Peugeot 307 1.6 HDI. The clutch slave cylinder on this car is located on the front of the engine, in front of the transmission. It's located right there. In order to remove it, first we need to remove this brake fluid line, which is held by one metal clamp, and then the clutch slave cylinder is held by two bolts. Before removing the brake fluid line, first I'm going to get locking pliers and I'm going to pinch the brake fluid hose so that when I remove the brake fluid line from the slave cylinder, there is not going to be much brake fluid flowing out of it. Next I'm going to remove the metal clamp holding the brake fluid line, and then I'm going to pull out the brake fluid line. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I'm going to put the brake fluid line to the side and I'm going to remove the two bolts holding the slave cylinder. Now that the two bolts are removed, I'm going to take out the slave cylinder and I can replace it with a new one. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Afterwards you need to bleed the clutch and then you're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.